So many people were upset with me for not showing you how the Oralift works. So let's do that right now. The Oralift is like a dental facelift. It's almost like a yoga block that stretches out your jaw. And it comes in two sizes. Well, you buy it once and you get two sizes, right? And then you fit them. You stick them in the microwave, you fit them. It's very easy. They talk you through it if you want them to. I started out with the purple, which is 3mm, and then I went up to the 5mm, and you put them on like this. So they go on your bottom teeth. And that's it. You wear it for up to an hour a day. It comes with an app, so you know exactly how long to use it, when to take a break. You can take before and after pictures. Super simple to use. It's flexible. It's not like a piece of plastic. It's not uncomfortable. It is super simple. And this is how you use the Oralift. Post any questions below. Bye.